Parkavi, I've heard about the Aroon Indicator. Can you explain what it is? Sure, Tamalini. The Aroon Indicator is a technical tool that measures how long it's been since a stock hit a new high or a new low. It uses two lines, the Aroon up and Aroon down lines.
What do these Aroon up and Aroon down lines show?
Aroon up measures how long it's been since the stock hit a recent high, while Aroon down measures how long it's been since a recent low. Both these lines fluctuate between 0 and 100. If Aroon up is above 50, the stock made a new high within the last 12.5 periods. If Aroon down is above 50, the stock made a new low within the same time frame.
How do you calculate the Aroon indicator?
These numbers depend on how recently the highs or lows occurred. When values are near 100, it indicates a strong trend.
Got it. How do we know if a trend is strong or weak?
If Aroon up is close to 100, the stock is in a strong uptrend. If Aroon down is close to 100, it means the stock is in a strong downtrend. When Aroon up is low, the uptrend is weak, and when Aroon down is low, the downtrend is weak.
How can we apply this to Nifty or other stock markets?
For example, in Nifty 50, when Aroon up crosses Aroon down, it can signal a buying opportunity. When Aroon down crosses below Aroon up, it can signal a selling opportunity.
What's the best period for using the Aroon indicator?
Typically, the Aroon indicator is used for a 25-period calculation, but depending on your trading strategy, you can adjust the time period. In a volatile market, this indicator helps predict price movements in Nifty, Bank Nifty, or Sensex.
What if neither line is above 50?
When both lines are below 50, it means the stock is consolidating, meaning no new highs or lows are being made. Traders often wait for a breakout from this consolidation.
So this applies to Nifty and other stocks too, right?
Absolutely. It works for Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex, and individual stocks as well. However, you should always be careful while using this. I'm not a SEBI-registered advisor. I'm still learning about the stock market too.
I understand. I'll start using the Aroon indicator better now. And of course, I'll subscribe to the Parkavi Finance channel.
Great, Tamalini. Make sure to subscribe to Parkavi Finance on YouTube to keep learning about stock market strategies. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.